They're going to do a sound test that doesn't fucking matter. The sound test that the other one's done doesn't fucking matter. Because law enforcement's already said it don't fucking matter. But, it's like I said, if a person feels the need to go down there to satisfy something within themselves, because they, personally have questions about it, well, by all means, go do it. If you got permission and whatnot. If you feel so compelled that you have to do it, do it. I just can't understand. It must be that. It just must be, a person, their own curiosity or something. Because it's no matter what they do, it's not going to matter as far as the investigation goes, because none of them have proper training, proper equipment, or any kind of qualifications to be valid in anything that they were to present. I, I just don't, unless, like I said, unless it's just a personal desire, to, for them to see for themselves. And, if that's the case, knock yourself out. Yeah, right, Leah Weston. They only want to satisfy their curiosity for them, not for Summer. And come back and make like there's some big thing they found turned over to Ellie. Yeah. Every time it's going to be they found something and turned it over to Ellie. They found something and turned it over to Ellie.
No, Fizzle. In my opinion, if there was a scream down below, unless it was absolutely the most shrill, shocking scream, no.
Stopped all three of us cold.
Her daughter was the first to go to the cabin door. Then all three were there, listening still.
We heard just this kind of shrill, almost animalistic scream.
If it were the most shrill, shocking scream, would it be reasonable to assume that the multiple other neighbors, yes, I would say that they would have heard it. If they were on, let's say that she was at the bottom of the hill and, somebody was at the top of the hill and they heard that, others would have heard it as well. Allegedly, they didn't. Do you have any opinion on really fucking insanely loud? We did do a test. And in my opinion, you do the test with your voice because that's what the scream came out of, your mouth. So you try to duplicate different things and see if you can hear it.
But I think she ain't doing a parody. She went and got her hair done that way. I was like, well, all right then. So, Adrian, you made it clear that you have a personal vendetta against Jody Sue Brown and that you're going to do everything that you can to destroy her. You've said that on lives and everything, and you just lost your damn, I don't know if you even had any focus or whatever, but that's one thing that Benny was right about too. Is all you all do is Jody Sue, Jody Sue, Jody Sue, Jody Sue. That's why I got away from you a long time ago, because I figured out how you all were. Cam said the same damn thing about you. Y'all don't do nothing but treat people like shit.